Guys, um, this is boy Benny. I have a. I want us to look at how to analyze the human stock market. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are hearing me from. I'm going to take time to show you guys how to analyze this chart using price action in conjunction with the RSI indicator. Now, I'm going to use the boom and crash market. We're going to look at crash 1000. I took this trade last night. I sent this particular chart analysis to the main Telegram group for you guys to take a look at how I was able to spot this movement. Now, it's very easy to always, when you want to start your chart analysis, you start with a higher time frame. You can look at the daily, you can look at the 4-hour, look at the 1 hour, and you base your analysis based on those longer time frame. Now we are going to look at something from when I always tell you guys that the market move in phases. Is either trending upward, or is ranging, or is trending downward. So whatever happens, always trade a market that is trending in either upward or downward. This is a trend, and I've told you guys that I focus more on trend reversal, or at the beginning of a trend. That is trend reversal. Is either the trend is about to reverse here, or there was a downward movement, and around here a trend is about to begin. So like this crash 1000, I noticed this trend reversal around here, and look at what I did, how I analyzed. One of the things that you must understand is that there are those that trade purely based on indicators. That is nice, that is good. If you trade purely based on indicator, that is nice. I don't want to criticize anybody's trading strategies. And there are those that they don't go above 1 hour, 1 minute time frame, and some even don't go above 1 hour time frame. Whatever time frame, whatever strategy you are using, if it is working for you, that is okay. Now I would like us to look at how I was able to spot this particular movement of crash 1000. Now using I use trend line so much, because when the market is trending, you are either waiting for the trend to be broken in other direction, for like I talked about reversal. These are basically the things that I use to spot a market that is about to reverse. First of all, I identify a trend. There's a trend here. You can agree with me that there's a trend here. So if you agree that there's a trend here, if you want to see what the trend is doing, I will advise that you move to 1 hour time frame for you to see how the trend. Yeah, you can see on a 1 hour time frame, you can see how the trend. You can agree with me that there's a trend there. And I would like to let me turn the phone this direction. Yes, I think it will be better. Now you can agree with me that there's a trend here. Let's pull this trend line very well. All right, I think it's okay. Now you agree with me that there's a trend here, and what we want to do, we want to see this trend being broken by this market. Then we'll know that the reversal is valid. First of all, let me remove some of these lines that I put there. So you have identified a trend. There is a trend, and we want to know when this trend will reverse. You can agree with me here that when the market is trending upward, there's something that is common with the trend. You understand? A trend will always, I keep telling people that for a market to be trending, the market will go up, which is an impulsive phase, corrective phase, impulsive phase, corrective phase. And when a market is trending, the impulsive phase tends to be longer than the corrective phase. The impulsive phase is the direction of the trend. The market, because the buyers are aggressively pushing the market, so you find out that the impulsive phase is longer than the corrective. Corrective, impulsive, corrective, corrective, impulsive, corrective, impulsive. Now, something that showed me that there's going to be a reversal is that after this corrective, this major move, impulsive, I noticed that the buyers are getting weak here. First of all, there's this move, impulsive. This corrective is not there, and there's no buyers to push the market upward. It fell down to this trend line, waiting for another move to get above this high here. There was no move to get above this high, rather a little corrective, and the market fell and broke this trend line and started ranging around here. And looking at our indicator, I love using RSI so much, because RSI is one of the indicators that show me reversals ahead of time. When the market is about to reverse, RSI will show me a reversal of the market. It will show me ahead of time that this market, the buyers are already getting weak. They are not going to be able to push the market any further. I will know it way ahead of time. Let me show you guys how I'm able to know from the RSI. From the RSI, I want to show you how from the RSI I get to know. Now, don't forget that we are around here. There was this move upward here. That is here, around here. Now, so around where this area, you can see what happened around this area. This move here, immediately the RSI started creating something called higher low. It started creating higher low. Just guys, I want you guys to just remain patient with me. You can see what it does. If you want to see it in a bigger picture, just go to 30-minute time frame. Let's go to 30-minute time frame. You will see it there. All right, you can see it in 30 minutes time frame, just like I said. You can see what the RSI is doing. You can see the RSI is already telling me that this market, the buyers are no longer able to push this market ahead of time. Before this fall, the RSI will start telling you, and it's not an enough reason for you to start selling immediately. No, you need other confirmation. That is what a lot of this is not a market where we say we want to catch spikes and just get out. No. So when I notice that first of all, this confirmation here will let me know, this particular movement here, let me know that we are having a weak, buyers are getting very, very weak here, and this market fell to this point. And look at what started happening here. The buyers could no longer push the market beyond this trend line. Look at what started happening. That was where when I entered the market around here, knowing fully, and in the night there was this massive fall. If you look at from here, if we calculate how many pips is this, let's look at the numbers of pips that we are able to get from this trade. This is 227 pips. 227 pips, guys. 227 pips. This is not a joke. 227 pips, or 200 and about 219 to, yeah, within that range. It's already reversing back. It's already going back. So about 200 pips, just approximately 200 pips. So imagine if you are using 0.0, you are using 0.02, 0.20 rather, 0.20 multiply by 200 pips. Can you see how much dollar you would have made by opening just one position of this market? So guys, this is just how we trade the market. This is how we trade the market. It's a quick video. I would like you to just subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be sending a lot of videos on how to analyze look at the chart, analyze the market, and I'm going to be posting a lot of videos for you to help build your trading strategies and skills. You can also click on the notification bell so that you can get notified as soon as I publish any video. Guys, so many videos that I'm going to be posting. I'm shortly going to make a video on how I entered the currency market this morning, and I was able to bag some dollars and quickly came out of the market. Guys, give this video a thumbs up. Whatever you notice that you want me to do, please comment below this video. Let me know so that I can work on it, and probably I'm going to do a video on the power of the RSI in winning the boom and crash market or any other volatility market. I love the RSI so much, and I'm going to do a comprehensive video right now on how to use the RSI effectively. All right, guys. Thank you.